Hi there, I'm John Leach, and you're watching Arc Fishing. Nice largemouth. Very nice largemouth. Nice largemouth bass. Nice largemouth bass. Alright, I'm going to release this beautiful muskie. 35-inch muskie. Catch and release. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Alright, I'm not sure how good the lighting is. I can't tell. It doesn't look like it's very good. Anyways, today's Friday, May 15th, 2020. And it's 80 degrees outside. Beautiful. Warmest day we had this year so far that I'm aware of. But at any rate, I want to show you that Pelican does make good on their warranties. Last year in June of 2019, I was at Lake Knox and Nixon, and my pedal drive broke. In fact, watch this short clip real fast. School of them. Something freaking break. Something just freaking wrong. Yeah, freaking broke. Freaking piece of shit. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. That just ruined my whole freaking weekend. I'll tell you what, that better be freaking covered on a warranty. Covered on a warranty. I'm so freaking pissed. Oh. Pelican, you better freaking replace that. I can't freaking believe that. How does that freaking happen? Freaking pedal job just broke. Look at this bullshit. That literally just freaking happened just now. All I was doing was freaking pedaling. Oh, I'm pissed. Dude, I only had this kayak a few months. I am pissed. I was in the middle of the lake, just doing a normal paddle, and something just felt wrong. It was way too easy, and what happened was this bolt snapped. I wasn't doing anything out of the ordinary. I didn't force it, didn't hit a rock or a log or anything. So I sent the video to Pelican, I emailed them, did a bunch of correspondence, and there was a little bit of misunderstanding on my part. But I thought they were just sending me a bolt, wanted me to fix it myself, because I misunderstood the email. I thought they were just sending me this bolt and wanted me to fix it. And I'm like, this is a warranty issue. I only had the kayak 2 months, bought it brand new. Well, they sent me the whole nother pedal drive, just minus these 2 legs and the pedals. So what I'm going to do next is take this off and put it on the brand new one, which is right here in the box. So we got brand new flappers, and a whole brand new pedal drive system. So all I got to do is transfer the parts off of this one onto the brand new one. And then I have a friend who I think is able to fix that, and if so, I'll buy new pedal bars and pedals, and I'll have a backup, which would be fantastic. Alright, there we go. One side's done. Alright, I don't know how much the camera got cut off because it shuts off every 30 minutes automatic as a safety feature. But anyways, I got it together. Here we go. There we go, brand new, man. Take it out tomorrow and test it on the water. But we're back in business. That's me happy. Real happy. Alright. So here's the old one. I think what I'm going to do, I think I can fix and salvage this. I have to order 2 new fins. I think my buddy can drill that out and tap it, and pull this bolt broken side. Put new ones in with our new pedal bars and pedals. I'm a backup. But right there's where it sheared off, right there, as you saw in that video clip. But thank you, Pelican, make good, no warranty to replace it. Years up. I bought this last year in, I think it was like March 31st, so warranty's expired on it now. But I'm happy Pelican made good, no warranty. Alright, well, so far the new pedal drive's working pretty good. I take it real easy with it. I want to try and just break in. I don't want to ruin it. It's brand new. But I'm here on Strobel Lake in Chester County, PA. And beautiful, gorgeous day. It's probably about 78 degrees outside. And wind's blowing between 5 to 50 miles per hour. Probably maintain around 7 miles per hour, somewhere around there. Gusting a little bit at times.